Hi. This is relative reference and absolute reference advanced version. Advanced version in the sense you can see I am entering equal to this particular cell F4. You can see that $2 signs are adding. $2 signs in the sense $1 in front of A and another second dollar sign in front of 5, colon reference 5. That means wherever dollar sign is there, that particular reference, whether it is column reference or row reference, it will be constant. So here before A $1 is there, before 5 $1 is there. So that means both A and 5 will be constant. Now I'll show you something. Instead of $2 sign, I am entering $1 sign, that is equal to 2. Before A only I am entering a dollar sign. So press enter. So this is equal to $A6, $A6. So you can see that copy and pasting to the down, it is changing. That means 6 is changing, 7 is changing, 8 is changing, but A is not at all changing. Okay, now this is cell with the $2 sign, this is the cell with the $1 sign. I am copying paste to the right side, both cell from here to the right. You can see here it is 1 only, again it is 1 only, it is 1 only, 1 only, 1 only. Here it is 2, that is A is constant, it is 2, A is constant, A is constant, so that it is 2 only. Now you see the difference between these two cells when you copy to the downside. I am copying 1 to the next cells, I am getting 1 only, but I am copying 2 to the ended data, but I am getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means wherever dollar is there, that difference will not change. So in here there are $2 sign, so both reference, column reference of A and row reference of 5, both will not be changing. But in here only A got the dollar sign. So when you copy paste to the downside, that 5, the reference of row, will be changing. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So why this is required? Why such dollar sign for single portion is required? Whether it can be row reference, it can be column reference. See here, I will enter a formula here equal to this particular cell into and this particular cell S. So the result is 5. Here I want equal to 25 into 5. Here I want equal to 15 into 3. Here I want equal to 25 into 1. Enter. Here I want equal to 5 into 5. So I have entered 5 formulas in this entire 25 columns, 25 cells. Okay, so let's see. A5 into C3, G3 into A5. A5 remains constant. Here E3 into A7. Here C3 into A9, G3 into A9. A9 remains constant. So you can see that there are some relations in this entire table. The data formulas between these every cells will be having some element as constant. So for that we can use dollar reference in such a way that a single formula will, if you copy paste to the entire data, you will get the entire result. So let's see. I am pressing F2 for editing that. A5 is 1. When you multiply, the reference should go down but should not go to the right, because right side cell is blank cell. It should not go to the right, it should go to the downwards only. It should not go to the right side. That is, column should not change, but row reference should change. Column reference is A, that should not change. So we are adding a dollar sign in front of A. And on the second part, C3, here it should change the column but not the rows, because 5, 10, 15, 20, if you copy paste, this should go to the right side, should not go to alter the row. If you change the row, it will come 0 because the C4 is 0. So the row number should be constant. So I am adding $sign in front of 3. So first part, column reference got $sign. On the second part, row reference got $sign. So I am entering here, I am copying, I am pasting it here, I am getting the exact result. Again here same result, again here same result, again here same result. I am copying basis entire multiplication table, I will get the correct result. This is why we require the single $sign references either in front of column reference or in front of row reference.